We have the Aquatic Life RODI system. It's 50 gallons per day, daily output. It's 4-stage reverse osmosis and deionization unit. It'll definitely help out on water changes. Well, the way I'm going to hook this up is with the water from the washer, and I'm going to Y off of there with the shut-off valve and run it all the way over here, some of the tubing, and mount it to the wall right there. Now let's see what's all inside the box. Instructions, bag of hardware, feet of tubing, unit itself, and this is a 50 gallons per day membrane, and we have the deionization filter. Take these clips off, and it's got your mounting hole for your screws. There's 2 of them there. Okay, then see what the old instructions say. Before you put the membrane in, they want you to do a flush of the system with your supply, your wastewater, and your filter water. So let's turn this on and see if we got any leaks. So far, no leaks. Yep, we got a leak right there at the waist. Okay, well, let me look at that leak real quick. Okay, so I got that leak fixed. Just reinserted the tubing and flushed it for 5 minutes and get ready to drop that membrane down in. We're going to drop the membrane down in and make sure that this is not above this lip there. Okay, that is that. Put our cap back on. Give it the old wrench. Place your tubing, put Put your clip back in. Get everything pushed back, and then install the deionization filter. Okay, so we have it all done up with the last stage, which is the deionization filter. It's all tubed up and ready to give it a try. I got the membrane in. Everything's good to go. I just need to straighten up some of this tubing and have to pick up some more tubing for that discharge for the filtered water. Didn't quite make it all the way down. I just got to tidy up these here tubing and get everything strapped up here, and then it'll be done. So let's just go ahead and turn it on and see what we got. Got my two gals.
I got some bullets.
So we should start to see some water here. It's starting to fill up.
Look, that's an egg basket. We just need to wait for a few minutes.
Yep, just like Julia said, wait for a few minutes.
It's not Easter. It's not Easter yet. It's not my birthday.
Any day now. There we go. It's starting to fill up now. And we are making a little bit in the bucket. Slow drip. While we're waiting for all that, it came with some adapters and whatnot. One you can put on your sink. Another one possibly you put on a sink. And then it also came with that, which is a hose bib adapter. That also came with this wrench for tightening. And yeah, we're getting a steady, slow stream right now. Yeah, it's a little bit of a dribble, but it'll be good for your fish. And I think that's all for this one. Again, that's the Aquatic Life RODI system. Reverse osmosis Buddie. Fairly simple to get set up. And that's all for this one.